Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainsley Bullion, ainsleyBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores for the next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time. Yes, it is the Ainsley Bullion 10-ounce silver stacker bar. These are just beautiful bars. They are made by Scottsdale Mint, and I'll show you that on the other side in just a second. Made by Scottsdale for Ainsley in the stacker bar style. What am I talking about in terms of the stacker bar style? What do I mean by stacker bar? Let me just show you another one right here. Here's another one I prepared earlier. Now, just out of interest, this has the blue little front protector on there, so that's when you buy them new, that's actually what you'll get, but you can just peel that off. It just keeps the front bit nice and fresh. But this is the display one right here. And what do I mean by stacker bar? See these amazing grooves all around? It just means you can easily stack them on top of each other. A perfect way to stack your stack, and it keeps it really nice and tight in terms of storage as well. So they're not fumbling around, so you can easily stack them on top of each other if you are, buying a whole bunch. So that's why they're called stacker bars. Again, made by Scottsdale Mint in Arizona in the US. But of course, for us, they've put, of course, our usual little Australia map right there at the top, 10 troy ounces silver, 999 fine silver, and the Ainsley Bullion logo at the bottom. And flipping it over, I love the stacker swirl is what I'm dubbing it, the stacker swirl. What they do at the back here is just really cool how they do that. Scottsdale Mint in Arizona do that particular finish there, and as you can see, I'll get as close as I possibly can. It says there, if you can see it, made by Scottsdale Mint, and the Scottsdale Lion in the middle there as well, and they are individually serialized as well. So here's the deal: for the next 24 hours only until 4 p.m. Queensland time, we are knocking $10 off per bar, and that's regardless of how many you buy. You don't have to buy 100 plus, and actually the $10 off per bar is better than our usual 100 plus bulk buying discount. So you're getting an even better discount than that. And if you just want one, you get $10 off per bar. Again, for the next 24 hours, buy as many as you like, as many as we have in the store. Of course, stock may run out, you never know, because it is a 24-hour only special for the 10-ounce Ainsley Bullion stacker bar in silver, made by Scottsdale Mint. You know what to do. You want to like, share, and subscribe, because you don't want to miss next week's special in case you missed this one. So hit the big red subscribe button to be the early bird. That's it. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainsley.